This is a sagittal section of head face neck. So this will be kept for your examination. Okay, we will be asking questions of nose, oral cavity, okay, tongue, pharynx, okay, and you can see that larynx. Okay, all of the structures which we can see here, we can ask those questions. Okay, so let's see first about the nasal cavity. In this particular section, what we can see, this is sphenoid bone. Okay? We are looking at the cranial cavity. This is the base of the sphenoid. Okay, you can see that basilar part of the occipital bone and sphenoid forms basi-occiput. Okay, cranial cavity. Now we are entering into the nose. In the nose, what we can see at this point, can you see this space? This is the frontal air sinus. This is the frontal bone, frontal air sinus. Okay. In this paranasal cavities, air sinuses, questions can be asked. Frontal air sinus within the frontal bone, sphenoidal air sinus. Okay, this is inside the sphenoid bone. You can see sphenoidal air sinus, this cavity. Okay. Other than that, we have maxillary air sinus and ethmoid. There are ethmoidal air sinuses. See here, this is the ethmoidal bulla. Okay, you can see that elevation. So how to see that? When you see, this is the lateral wall of the nose. Okay, medial wall, we have taken a section. So medial wall is gone and we are looking only at the lateral wall of the nose. In lateral wall of the nose, these elevations, these are called as concave, right? So we will see this is the inferior nasal concha, okay, middle nasal concha and superior nasal concha, this one. Okay, 3 nasal concha, superior, middle and inferior nasal concha. The spaces beneath the concha are called as meatus. So below the inferior meatus, we will see inferior concha, we will see inferior meatus, middle meatus and superior meatus. Above this region, we will see supreme meatus, okay, into which our sphenoidal air sinus is draining. Can you see that? There is an opening here, okay, into the supreme meatus, above the superior concha.